there's other bird inside.
Oh, where did it go?
Oh shit.
Oh shit, it's alive.
Probably went in now. When's your next service? Treat them as a bird and everything. When is your next service? There's no bird here too. Well, the myths, the plan's always fun. No.
There. Got it.
I don't think it'll come out from there. Eh?
How did it get in there then?
No, I can
Sheer
feel
force.
its leg or something.
That's also gonna break off.
You should have double glove.
Oh, there.
Oh, there's some blood.
You see this?
Oh man.
Okay, there's the leg.
I don't see the leg. There's no fucking wing there. You
Don't
don't
get
see the
needle
leg.
stick down. Oh yes. That's like a twig.
Ah, no,
Oh,
no, no, no,
my
no.
god. Grip it from higher. Pull it towards you.
It's one wing is underneath, that's the problem. You got a hooked thing here.
Oh, shit, no. I'm gonna throw up.
I hope you're getting all of this.
Is it alive? No.
What do you think, Yaksha?
How did it just go back inside? Did you see that? You got that on video?
Is it alive? Is it alive?
It just loves.
Get a cat and then talk.
Oh.
Okay.
That's your last leg, yeah?
I got no legs to
You'll have
stand on.
nothing else to do.
If you leave it in, it's gonna get rotten. So you have to take it off. Like it's not even like a.
There we go.
Okay.
No way.
This is what.
Oh!
They don't smell like
There's another sport capsule inside there. Cremated.
Okay, that's all. I think.
No, it's still a whole body.
Yeah, that.
Come, Yasha, do this. You can watch the video after this afternoon.
What happened? Try
There's a
some
bird.
under.
Oh my.
That's it. Can you smell it? That's it.